Hey there, welcome to my channel English Fire. As you can see on the thumbnail that I'm gonna discuss about very important topic that is related to your speaking. So today this is a question that can we learn English at our home? So my dear friend, yes, we can learn English at our home. You need to understand that we have to follow the rule. First of all, you should know why you are learning English, why you want to speak in English. You should clear in your mind it should clear in your mind that why you are learning this language. So first of all, clear your goal, and the second is subscribe couple of channel on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube is a very good platform. We have a excellent teacher on YouTube. If you like this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, and I will provide you all kind of information related to English, how to speak English, how to improve your reading, how to improve your fluency, how to improve your vocab, how to improve your grammar knowledge. All kind of essential information I will provide you in this video, in this channel. So if you like this channel, please subscribe. So this is a second rule. First of all, clear your goal in your mind, and then subscribe couple of channel on YouTube. The third, start speaking English every single day. Yes guys, this is a very important rule. If you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you have to speak every single day. Speaking can improve your speaking. I have made separate video on this topic. If you haven't seen, please watch that video first, and you will understand why speaking is very important. The second exercise, you should start improve your vocab. By and by you should start your vocab. You can you will be able to understand many things about listening, very many things about speaking or English. Once in a week, the next step is once in a week you should try to learn grammar. Yeah, grammar is also very important, and you cannot learn grammar every single day. You cannot use that grammar, so you should learn once in a week or maybe twice in a week, and try to use that grammar or vocab which you learn just couple of days before in your speaking. This is the right way to practice yourself. Once in a week, the next step is once in a week you should put yourself in uncomfortable zone. What is the meaning of uncomfortable? For example, you speak slow English, then once in a week you should try to speak in fast English. This is the meaning of uncomfortable zone. If you can speak fast English, then you should try to speak like a native speaker. You should try to improve your pronunciation. You should try to use heavy grammar, heavy vocab. This is also can improve your speaking. This is a really good exercise. Once in a week, try to put yourself in your uncomfortable zone. If you don't want to read any book, you should read once in a week. If you don't want to write anything, you should try to write even a 1 or 2 page in a week. So this is the very important. You have to put once in a week in yourself uncomfortable zone. This can improve your speaking very soon. This can improve your knowledge of English as well. So this is the step by step I teach you, or I discuss with you that how can you improve your speaking, how can you improve your knowledge of English at your home without any academy, without any teacher. The most important thing is, my dear friend, learning alone at home is a very difficult. Why? Because no one you cannot push yourself. You need to a good teacher or a guide. When you speak English, you need to a teacher who can correct you. A teacher can correct you. Teacher can find couple of mistake. Teachers find couple of mistake in your speaking, so that you can remove your mistake. You cannot find your mistake yourself. You need to a good teacher. It's okay if you don't have money or you don't have time to hire a teacher or go any academy, attend any English academy. So it's okay, you can learn English with the help of YouTube as well. Second or last step is, which is very important for you, you should have a partner as well for speaking, because speaking in alone is I think quite monotonous. You cannot speak alone for long time, but if you have your friend, then you can speak for long time with your friend, and in this way you can improve your speaking. So yeah guys, this is a couple of suggestions from my side. With the help of this suggestion, you can improve your speaking at your home. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share with your friend. If you have any question in your mind, please do let me know in the comment box below. Till then, bye bye, God bless you.